To preserve battery health on the Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find the battery options. When you enter them, look for the battery protection, and then we can activate battery protection options, and there's two options that we can use. First one is Smart Schedule. It lets AI learn your charging patterns and optimize battery health using it. Charging stops at 80% and resumes an hour before you unplug. Works best if you have a consistent charging schedule. So basically, if you charge your phone on a regular basis, for example, when you go to sleep, your phone will, you plug it on, let's say 20, and you wake up on 6, your phone will charge to 80% during the night, and then it will start charging to 100% right before you're gonna wake up, so it's perfectly 100% charged when you wake up, but for the remainder of the night it's at 80%. So that saves a lot of battery health, but as it says, it's great when you have schedules for charging and you do it on a regular basis. If you want to protect it without that restrictions of if you want to protect your battery without restrictions of regular charging, you can go for manual schedule right here, and then adjust the settings and put it on always. That way your phone will charge always at only to 80% and not 100%. And that's how you can preserve your battery life. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.